Good morning, children. Today I am going to revise the chapter 5. Earlier I already taught it. So today you have to listen it properly. First, nutrients in food. We know our food contains certain substances that give us energy, helps us to grow, and protect us from diseases. These substances are called nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are the nutrients present in our food. Let us learn about the different nutrients one by one. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give energy to our body. Banana, potatoes, rice, noodles, pasta, roti, fruits such as mango are rich in carbohydrates. Laborers and farmers do a lot of physical work, so they need a lot of energy. Growing children and growing children also need more energy to take carbohydrate, to run, jump, and play. Now, proteins help us to grow and build our body. Growing children need more proteins. Old people also need proteins to repair tonsils and heal wounds. Proteins help us to grow by making new cells. Animal products such as meat, fish, and eggs are rich in proteins, and plant products such as nuts, beans, peas, and pulses are rich in proteins, as we know that. Now, fats gives us energy. It gives us more energy than the carbohydrate, but it does not gives the instant energy. They contain more energy in as compared to the carbohydrate. The fats are stored inside our body. The layer of fat inside our body also protects our organs from damage. Food items like nuts, oil, ghee, butter are rich in fats. Now, vitamins and minerals. Both vitamins and minerals are protective nutrients. We need them in a small quantity but are very important for different body functions. Some examples of vitamins required by our body are A, B, C, D, E, and K. Now, the sources and importance of some vitamins and are listed in the table below. Vitamin A source: papaya, carrots, spinach, and mango. Importance: needed for eyesight. Vitamin B, brown, it is present in brown rice, brown bread, beans, and yeast. Importance: need for digestion. Vitamin C, present in orange, sprouts, strawberries, and amla. Importance: need for strong teeth and gums. Vitamin D source: egg, milk, and fish. Importance: it is needed for strong bones and teeth. Calcium, iron, potassium, iodine, and sodium are some examples of minerals required by our body. Calcium is required for strong bones and teeth. It is present in milk, curd, almond, cheese, beans, and green leafy vegetables like cabbage. Iron is required for the formation of blood. Iron is present in green leafy vegetables, dates, raisins, legumes, and mangoes. So the nutrients in food has been finished. In other day, next day we will revise other topic. Now, thank you.